Hello, welcome to class. In this video, we'll be looking at this question, we'll be answering this question. Let x be a real number such that cube root of x plus 1 over cube root of x is equal to 3. Find the value of x cubed plus 1 over x cubed. Alright, before we answer this question, there are some things we need to know, and they are algebraic identities. So we're going to look at the square of sum of items and the cube of sum of two items. So let's have a plus b squared. Let's expand it. Let's see the expansion of it. A plus b squared, you know, x squared is the same thing as x times x, right? So we're going to do it here. This is the same thing as saying a plus b times a plus b. So we use expansion to open this. So in a, we multiply the whole of this term, and plus b, we multiply the whole of this term. So let's start. A times a is a squared. A times b is ab. A has finished, so we go to this one. B times a will give you ba, but ba is the same thing as ab. Okay, so we have the same ab plus b times b will give me b squared. So we simplify further. So we have a squared plus ab plus ab is like 1 orange plus 1 orange. We give you 2 oranges. So we're going to have 2ab plus b squared. So this is equals to this. Alright, we look at the cube. A plus b raised to the power of 3. We want to expand it. Now remember that x raised to the power of 3 is the same thing as x times x times x. Okay? Which is the same thing as saying x times x is x raised to the power 2. So it's the same as x raised to the power 2 times x. Is that understood? Therefore, if we apply this thing here, a plus b raised to the power of 3 is the same thing as saying a plus b raised to the power of 2 times a plus b, right? Good. Now we have already expanded this one. We have seen the identity of it, which is this, or the expansion of this, which is this. So we can say that this is equal to a plus 2ab plus b raised to the power of 2. That is the expansion of this. Then times this, a plus b. Okay? So let's start the expansion. As we did before, this term we multiply the whole of this. This we multiply the whole of this. This we multiply the whole of this. So let's go. A squared times a will give you a raised to the power of 3 plus a squared times b will give you a squared b plus 2. This one has finished, so we'll go to this 2ab times a. You see, this a will affect this a here to make it 2a. So I'm going to have 2a raised to the power of 2b. Are you getting it? Plus this times this, the b will affect this b. So I'll have 2a b raised to the power of 2. So I'll finish with this. I'll go to this one. B squared times a plus b squared a is the same thing as saying a b squared. You know, in the way we do, we arrange letters of alphabet. A comes before b, so that's it. So b squared times b will give me b raised to the power of 3. So I'll now simplify further. Let's simplify further. Let me write the ones with raised to the power of 3 first. So I have a raised to the power of 3 plus b raised to the power of 3. Okay? Plus, if you look now, you see this and this are the same thing. A squared b. A squared b. So this is 1a squared b plus 2a squared b. So two of them are the same. So 1 plus 2, I will have 3a squared b plus this one ab squared. ab squared. So 2 plus 1 will give me 3ab squared. Is that understood? Alright. So let's simplify further. So we have a raised to the power of 3 plus b raised to the power of 3 plus, what do they have in common? There's 3 here, there's 3 here, so bring it out. There's a here, there's a here, bring it out, 1a. There's b here, there's b here, bring it out. So put your bracket. If 3 remove this, a remove this a, 1a will remain. So I have 1a, b will knock off this, okay? plus 3 divides this will go, A divides A will go, B divides B, 1B will remain. So this is the simplification of this, or the factorization of this. Is that understood? Alright, so we have seen that the algebraic identity of A plus B raised to the power of 3 is the same thing as this. Alright, so now I want to make this one the subject, like I want this one to stand alone. If this one will stand alone, it means I will pack this one to go and stay this side. I will take it to this side, okay? So I will now have A raised to the power of 3 plus B raised to the power of 3, that's this one, is equal to this one, this side, remember this, right? It's A plus B raised to the power of 3. This plus 3A will now move to this side to meet it. Remember in my previous video, I told you that whenever a term crosses the equality sign to go to the other term, the sign will change. So this plus 3AB bracket A plus B, the whole of this thing will cross the equality sign to go and meet it. So the sign will change to negative. So it will be minus 3AB bracket A plus B. Alright, so this is the identity we're going to use to answer this question. So now we'll start. Let's go to the question. Using this identity, I have this plus this, so let this one be my A. Let A be equal to cube root of x, and let B be equal to 1 over cube root of x. So if you apply it here, I have A cube, remember this is my A. So A cube raised to the power of 3 plus B cube, 1 over raised to the power of 3 is equal to my bracket A plus B. A plus B, that is cube root plus B, 1 over cube root raised to the power of 3 minus 3. A, my A is cube root of this times B. My B is 1 over cube root of this. Bracket A is cube root of this plus B, 1 over cube root of x. Is that understood? Exactly this, but my A is this and my B is this. Okay, let's simplify further. Now remember, from the information given to us, cube root of x plus 1 over cube root of x is equal to 3. So wherever I see this, I can comfortably call it 3. So the whole of this is equal to 3. Then raised to the power of 3 minus, if you have x times 1 over x, this x can knock off this, right? Okay, so this can knock off this. So I'm left with minus 3, then bracket, the whole of this is the same thing as this, which is equal to 3. Equal to 3. Is that understood? Alright, so let's go further. This is equal to 3 raised to the power of 3 is what? 3 times 3, 9, 9 times 3, 27. So I have 27 minus 3 times 3 is 9. So 27 minus 9 will give me what? 18. So everything here gave me 18. Good. And remember that this thing means this knock off this one knock off this. Remember what I taught you? I said that if I have square, if I raise it to power of 2, this will knock off this. It will be ordinary x. If I have cube roots and raise it to power of 3, this will knock off this to have ordinary x. So that is what happened here. So such that what I have on this side is x plus 1 over x is equal to 18. Is that understood? So let's keep this. We're going to use it. Alright, so we have gotten x plus 1 over x to be 18. So we apply the same thing again. We apply the same identity. This time around, my A is equal to x and my B is equal to 1 over x. So we apply the same thing. So let's start. X raised to the power of 3 plus, I'm using this, 1 over x raised to the power of 3 is equal to x plus 1 over x raised to the power of 3 minus 3 x times 1 over x, okay, bracket x plus 1 over x. Is that understood? Good. Alright, so let's go further. Remember, x plus 1 over x, we have solved it here and it gave us what? 18. So anywhere I see x plus 1 over x, I will replace it with 18. So I have 18 raised to the power of 3 minus, remember what we did in the other one, this can cancel out this can cancel out this. I'm left with only 3. The whole of this is equal to 18. Alright, so this is 18. Good. So we simplify this, we can simplify it, right? So 18 raised to the power of 3 means what? 18 times 18 times 18. So let's go and solve it. 18 times 18. This time this is 64, 4 carry 6. This time this 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 times this is 8. 1 times this is 1. When you add, you have 12. 324. Then times another 18. 324 times 18. 8 times this is 32, 2 carry 3. 8 times this is 16 plus 3, 19. 9 carry 1. 3 times 8 times 3, 24 plus 1, 25. 1 times 4, 4. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 3, 3. We add. I have 2, 13, 8, 5. So I have 5,832 minus 3 times 18. 18 times 3. This times this is 24, carry 2. 54, 54. So we do 5,832 minus 54. Where do I do it? Let me clean this one and do it here. 5,832 minus 54. So we borrow 1, put it here. 12 minus this is 8. This remains 2. Borrow 1, put it here. 12 minus this is 7. This remains 7. Bring down 7. Bring down 5. So we have 5,778. So the answer to this question, the value of x raised to the power 3 plus 1 over x raised to the power 3 is equal to 5,778. Isn't that very simple? It is. Just go through it step by step, understand the algebraic identities, and use this expansion to answer this. You will get it correctly. Okay?